what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
So guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can use tomato and other ingredients to get rid of brown teeth and rotten tooth as well. So if you want to know what these ingredients are, please stay tuned and do give this video a thumbs up. So if today is your first time watching my video, you are most definitely welcome to Emedo Beauty TV, where you can get all homemade natural remedy for skin cares, for pimples, acne, for weight loss, and for belly fat loss as well. I have done a couple of video on belly fat, how to lose belly fat. You can go check that out on my channel. And I've done also a couple of videos on how to get rid of pimples, acne and all that. You can go check that out on my YouTube channel as well at Emedo Beauty TV. So guys, if you want to know what these ingredients are, please stay tuned and just give this video a thumbs up. So my first ingredient is onion. So now I'm going to grate it and extract the juice from it, because the juice is what we are going to be needing on this video. So we are going to be needing about a tablespoon of onion juice. So after grating, I will just extract the juice from the onion. So our next ingredient is tomato. So I will just go ahead and grate it as well to be able to get the juice out of the tomato. So that's what I'm doing on this video. I'm just grating to be able to get the juice. All right guys, we'll also be needing about a tablespoon of tomato juice as well. This homemade remedy is very effective if you use it always, not just use it once and you say it's not working. You try to use it often, like about 5 days, and you start seeing results. It's very effective. So guys, you know what tomato can do in the skin, on our body. Tomato is very good property. It's very good bleaching property that can help you exfoliate your skin. You can also use it to exfoliate your skin, exfoliate your face, all that, your skin. So our next ingredient is lemon juice. So I'm also going to be needing about a tablespoon of lemon juice on this video. That's my lemon juice. All right guys, so our last ingredient is a white toothpaste. Any brand of your choice. You can use Colgate as well. I don't have Colgate, that's why I'm using this toothpaste. You can use any toothpaste, but let it be white toothpaste. White toothpaste is very effective on this remedy. All right, so after putting in my toothpaste, I'm just going to mix very well to make sure everything is well mixed. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just try to mix very well. after mixing and all that, just go in and dip in your toothbrush and use it to brush every time. Always just try to use it always to be very, very effective. So after brushing your teeth with this, you rinse it off with warm water. Okay, so guys, I've done brushing my teeth before doing this video. That's why I didn't show you with my toothbrush, alright? But all the same, if you find this video helpful, please do share my videos, subscribe, and do give this video a thumbs up, and see you on my next video.